Alright, I have to make a garden update. It just started raining again. It's been raining for the last 5 days. Golden boy. Doing pretty good. Brandywine heirlooms. Very healthy. Not so much healthy. But, wow, we have had a deluge of rain. This is where all the wildlife comes from. Man, it's starting to pour. Last night we had a lightning strike right like there. But look at the old blackberries. 2 of them are dead, 2 of them are alive. But the 2 that are alive, look, they got little thornies on them, fresh growth, they're looking good, they're starting to spread. It's been raining a couple days, so I haven't been able to come out and whack the neighbor's stuff. But yeah, blackberries are looking good. Not sure I'll get any product off them this year, but next year for sure. I don't even know. Oh, look. Oh, I lost another pepper. But that one came back. So I lose one, I gain one. I can't even tell. Oh my God, look at all the raspberries in there. It's been so many days that I haven't been able to get out here because it's absolutely been like literally dangerous weather. This thing is loaded with raspberries as far as I can see. I could come out here and pick a whole bucket. Now, here's my mystery plant. Again, there's more raspberries down there. Look, it's berries, but they're not blueberries. I don't know what the hell this thing is. I'll probably eat it. Man, I gotta get out here. And it's really starting to pour. But there are raspberries just everywhere. I gotta get out. I just came and picked them. Cucumbers are still alive. Starting to grow. They've been slow. But looks like we have some. Oh, we got some flowers over there on the pepper plant. That one's gone. That one's dead. Not doing too good. Oh, it looks like my pepper bomb's gone. Oh my gosh. Well, I got some tomatoes over there. Tons of raspberries. It's just pouring rain. I just watched Handley 710. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Handley or Handy 1710 or Handle 710? I'm not sure. But you'll see, I share this video. Check this guy's garden out. He's been my garden friend since day one. Man, disappointed. Where did this just disappeared? It's almost the 4th of July and I'm running out of time. I'm gonna have to get some new stuff. The spice cup. Look at them. Oh my gosh. This is horrible. Man, I just did 8 days on, 1 day off, 8 days on, so, and it's been raining. So I blame this on me. But yeah, I don't know. It's pouring. Gotta get out of here. Good to see you. Later.